jumps in the puddle wide. Water splashes on every side. Blue duck laughs and joins in too. Dripping feathers shiny and new. Green duck said, let's run so fast. Yellow duck giggled, not too fast. Orange duck ran with happy quack. All 5 ducks raced round the track. Under a tree with yummy treats, ducks enjoy their veggie eats. Sandwiches, berries, apple pie, with lemonade and mango chai. Blowing bubbles in the air, shiny orbs floating everywhere. Blue duck popped them one by one. They laughed and shouted, this is fun. Red duck painted a giant sun. Orange made flowers one by one. Yellow made ducks in shades so bright, colors dancing in pure delight. Green duck held balloons so high, flying slowly to the sky. Others followed in a row, riding gently high and low. At the beach with golden sand, they built a castle tall and grand. Shells and pebbles in neat rows, with sandy flags the castle glows. Ready or not, here I come, Blue duck whispered, hiding from sun. Yellow duck peeked behind a tree. They played and laughed so joyfully. They played drums and blew a horn, instruments bright and not too worn. Red duck strummed a shiny string, a melody began to sing. Up went kites in sky so blue, waving colors red, green, and blue. Wind was strong, they held on tight. Their kites danced left and soared to right. Orange duck grew beans so tall. Green duck made a leafy wall. They watered flowers row by row. Their garden made the daisies glow. White flakes fell on beak and wing. They made snow ducks in a ring. Snowball fights and chilly cheer. Let's drink cocoa, winter's here. Quietly they turned each page, stories filled with joy and rage. Red duck rid of far-off seas, while blue one dreamt of buzzing bees. Yellow duck pulled scarf solo long. Orange duck sang a magic song. Ta-da, a bunny did appear. They clapped and laughed with happy cheer. Under stars they sang with glee, by a campfire near a tree. With marshmallows on a stick, they ended the day with a lullaby quick. 5 colorful ducks so bright and sweet waddle around with dancing feet. I hope you liked the video. See you soon, guys.